Welcome to our tool spotlight featuring the Grizzly Industrial G0787 4x36-inch horizontal and vertical belt sander with a 6-inch disc. This powerful machine runs on a half-a-horsepower motor at 120 volts and 3,600 RPM, perfect for various sanding tasks. The sturdy cast iron base ensures stability and durability during operation, while the 6-1/4 by 9-inch table provides ample workspace. Its dual functionality allows you to switch easily between belt sanding and disc sanding for versatile use. Designed for precision and efficiency, this sander handles both rough and fine sanding jobs with ease. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, this tool boosts your workshop's capability. Enjoy smooth finishes and reliable performance with the Grizzly G0787 belt sander. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.